Today we've done a value pricing course with Ron Wood, and it's really showing us how we can uncover the value of the work that we do and demonstrate that to our clients so that we can charge the fees appropriate to the service that we're providing. I'd recommend Ron course to anyone in the professional services industry. It will really help your business evolve and get the value that you should out of the service you provide.
I always look at buskers and I feel sorry for buskers because quite often they're amazing musicians. This is a renowned violinist, and he is playing a $2.5 million Stradivarius violin. On the left hand side he's in a Metropolitan subway, and over 45 minutes he earns $32. That night he goes to the Boston Symphony Hall. He generates something close to $230,000. But the most important thing is he's on a stage in the centre of attention, providing what's called a job to be done. He's providing a solution to a massive problem, which is people want to hear some sort of music. The most crucial thing here is building out your frame. One of the most important things that you can do is to figure out how you can own the centre stage for your business to solve a particular problem when no one else can get on that stage.